this video, I will demonstrate one type of heel used in hand-knit socks, the Dutch heel or horseshoe heel. This is a video in my socks series. Be sure to check out my other sock knitting videos. The playlist will be linked at the end of this video. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I go live or post a new video. If you'd like to play along and try this heel out, there's a tutorial pattern linked in the description box below. Work the homework first if you haven't already. That's also linked in the description box below. This Dutch heel or horseshoe heel has a heel flap worked as normal, but the heel turn is worked a little differently than a round heel or a handkerchief heel. The center third of the heel flap stitches are maintained along the bottom of the heel for the heel turn. So the number of stitches remains constant and you get this band across the bottom of the heel. So when you turn your work, as you work the heel turn, no extra stitches are worked after the decreases before you turn your work to work back. This is an example worked with the heel stitch in the heel flap, and you are able to maintain that heel stitch along the heel turn in this form of heel, so you can create extra padding and reinforcement all along the bottom of the heel as well. You can make this band wider or narrower, so it might allow you to fit your foot anatomy a little bit better. Keep in mind there is a little bit of a ridge along these decrease lines as the sock is worn that sits right at the bottom of the heel, so that might not be very comfortable. It's a very attractive heel type though, and it's not too difficult to work. Give this heel a try. See the link in the description box below for the tutorial pattern. So that is the Dutch or the horseshoe heel. If you try this heel out using the tutorial pattern, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to check out my other sock knitting videos. The playlist will be linked at the end. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.